Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate guide for the CA exams. Today we are diving deep into the paper 1, financial reporting. So this is one of the most crucial subjects in the CA final syllabus. So if you are feeling overwhelmed by the Ind AS financial statements and adjustments, don't worry. Stick around as I break it down for you with a step-by-step preparation plan and exam strategies. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So let's start the video. First, let's try to understand why financial reporting holds such importance in the syllabus. So as you all are aware, accounting forms the foundation of our esteemed CA profession. Well, financial reporting doesn't just test your theoretical knowledge. It challenges your conceptual understanding, practical application skills, and ability to think critically. So whether you are preparing financial statements, applying Ind AS, or solving tricky adjustment, this paper is your gateway to mastering advanced accounting concepts. So basically, mastering this subject means developing a solid understanding of Ind AS, financial statement preparation, and also disclosures. Now let's try to understand how to study financial reporting effectively. So here I have a clear roadmap for you to master this paper. So first is understand the scope of Ind AS. So as you all are aware that the syllabus of financial reporting mainly comprises of Ind AS. So go through each Ind AS thoroughly. Focus on the recognition criteria, measurement basis and disclosure requirements. So many of the Ind AS are interlinked. So when you are studying, make sure to connect the related Ind AS. Begin by understanding the scope, recognition criteria and measurement basis of each Ind AS. So for example, if you are studying Ind AS 16, so Ind AS 16 relates to property, plant and equipment. Understand how to measure the initial cost and subsequent valuations. Similarly, if you are studying Ind AS 115, which relates to revenue recognition. In this case, you can focus on the 5-step model to recognize revenue. And as I mentioned earlier, it's essential to interlink the related Ind AS. For instance, connect Ind AS 16 with Ind AS 36, that is impairment of assets, and try to understand how they work together. Next tip is use practical cases. Supplement your study with case studies to see how these standards apply in real world situation. This builds clarity and boosts your confidence. For example, try to understand how revenue is recognized in construction contracts. Or try to understand how leases are treated under Ind AS 116. This not only builds clarity but also prepares you for scenario-based questions. Similarly, for each of the Ind AS, try to interlink it with a real-life case study and try to understand the concepts. Stay updated. So as the Indian accounting standards evolve constantly, stay updated with any changes notified by the MCA and focus on the latest amendments as well. So before you start studying, go through the syllabus carefully. And also in the BOS knowledge portal, you will get the latest update about the amendments. Go through that as well, to ensure you are fully aware of the inclusion and exclusions from the syllabus for the upcoming exams. Practice problems regularly. Solve a variety of problems using financial statements under Schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. Remember, practice leads to perfection. Dedicate time to solving problems for past exam papers And also solve all the problems from the ICI study material, mock test papers, and also ensure you study the revision test paper as well. Make sure to do written practice of all the questions. As the question paper will be lengthy, if you do written practice, it will help you to complete the paper within 3 hours in the exam. Also practice sufficient number of MCQs from the MCQ portal. So in the BOS knowledge portal, if you log in there, you can find the MCQ portal. So ensure you go there and practice the different MCQs there. Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to consult your mentors or professionals if you are stuck anywhere in the subject. Sometimes a fresh perspective can make all the difference. Previously, I had made a detailed video on chapter-wise study plan for financial reporting. So in that video, the study plan has been described based on the section-wise weightages. The link to that video has been added in the end screen. You can watch it from there. So the preparation doesn't stop at studying. Here are some critical pre-exam strategies. Prepare a list of adjustments or tricky points. So when you are studying, create a short list of adjustments and tricky points. Practice these repeatedly. When you study a chapter or a concept, so after you finish studying a concept and when you start practicing questions relating to that concept, link each of the questions to the concept. So this will help you during revision. This will also help you in analyzing as to from which concept more questions are asked. Keep updated notes. Ensure your notes reflect the latest standards and amendments. Solve mock test papers, revision test papers, and previous exam papers without fail. Solve past papers by hand. So whenever you're going through any sums, don't just read the solutions, write them out. This develops time management and reinforces concepts better than just passive reading. Simulate exam conditions. So whenever you are practicing mock test papers, ensure you solve them under time conditions to build speed and accuracy. Focus on completing your paper within 3 hours to improve time management. Now let's talk about the exam day. Here are some do's and don'ts. Presentation is the key. Write your answers neatly with proper subheadings and working notes. For example, use bullet points to explain accounting treatments. Clearly label adjustments in consolidated financial statements. Allocate time wisely. Divide your time based on complexity of questions. Tackle easier questions first to build confidence and save times for tougher ones. And also ensure you attempt full 100 marks paper. Show calculations clearly. Ensure that all your workings are neat and cross-referenced with the main answer as there is stepwise marking. So ensure you show all the steps in your answer sheet. Finally, let's talk about your mindset. Exam stress is natural, but don't let it affect your performance. Believe in your preparation. You have worked hard and you are ready for this. If you get stuck in the exam, move on to the next question and come back later with a fresh perspective. Remember, confidence and a calm mind can make all the difference. Also, during your study, I recommend that you all follow some holistic practices like meditation to keep your mind calm and stress free. Let's quickly go and watch a video on how to practice basic meditation. With the right preparation and mindset, financial reporting doesn't have to be intimidating. Follow these tips, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow CA aspirants. And also subscribe to my channel for more such guidance. All the best for your exams, and I will see you all in the next video.